Oh, hey! Welcome to the international office. Come inside, we'll show you around. This is the place to be on campus. This is where international students from all over the world come. If they're studying, getting a degree, only coming for a semester, we're here to welcome everyone international, and also the locals who go abroad. We have about 100 students every semester coming just to study for a semester, and the students who want to go in the world somewhere, we're sending hundreds of them everywhere across the globe to study at various universities. This, of course, is our kitchen. Got a great table here. We'd love for you to come by and have a coffee if you would like, but I want to introduce you to some of the team. As you can guess from the flag here, we have our girl Sue Marie, straight out of South Africa. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Hi, yes, so I am Suri, as Kevin mentioned, from South Africa, and I'm the incoming coordinator working with all of our incoming students who are coming to Salzburg and with their mobilities. So yeah, we're very excited to meet all of our new international students.
And just behind Sumari is our gal Tina Xenga, straight out of Austria. But why do you have an Argentinian flag?
Well, I like South America, and Argentina has my name in it.
Then it's got to be a great place. Any place with Tina in it is a great place. That's why we like working here. If you have any questions also about hiking in Austria or yodeling, Tina is a person to talk to.
Yeah, and I'm responsible for the Ernst Marx scholarship. So if students would like to come for us for a semester abroad, they can apply for the scholarship. And for our regular students, if they would like to do an internship abroad, it's me. Yeah.
And I work with Sue Marie welcoming the international students here to campus, but also international staff who come here for a few days or a week or even for a semester, or even here to move and live because it's such a great place to live and work. It's not just us here in this room in the international office, there's still more of the team to introduce.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Ortner and I'm a staff mobility coordinator here at FH, and I'm also responsible for international office courses.
On the other side of that, we have Frau Verena Langwallner. She's in charge of all the outgoing students who travel around the world every semester and come back with amazing stories to tell. And our dear colleague, Jenny Simon.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm responsible for the K171 mobilities and also for short-term stays.
You'll hear her on our podcast later. She also works with students from specific countries around the world coming here to campus. And now I want to show you one of my favorite rooms here in the international office. And in that room is one of our favorite people. Her name is Annette Schatzmann. She's the head of our international programs.
Hello, I'm Annette. I'm coordinating the work of the international office. And whatever your plans are, if you plan to spend the semester in Salzburg University of Applied Sciences or to go abroad, we're happy to support you.